Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to charge an iPhone using a Samsung charger. So you may be on holiday, maybe out and about, and you have forgot the charger for your iPhone. Lightning cable and the plug is no longer in your hands, but you do have the Samsung charger for Galaxy 1 all the way to 10 or S20 or whatever they're calling them nowadays. So this is what you only have today, and of course your iPhone. So connect the lightning cable to the plug itself. This now needs to go into a wall socket, so we'll do that now. And once that has been connected, we can now connect the lightning cable to the iPhone itself. And hopefully we should see charge take place, or the phone itself should start charging, is what I wanted to say. And so that's how you charge an iPhone using a Samsung Galaxy S1 to S20 charger that you have available or maybe lying around somewhere. And that's how you make use. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.